we are Signal Fire BD. This is our team Signal Fire BD. This is a fire alarm system, addressable fire alarm system, brand SNOR, series FP300. Now we are introducing the addressable fire alarm system of FP300 series. This is fire alarm control panel, control unit, and now we are introducing in front of you the individual devices. This is addressable smoke detector, this is heat detector, this is multi detector and gas detector, and this is input output module, control module, and this is loop isolator, fault isolator, and this is manual call point, MCP, and those are the sounders, audio visual sounders, and bell also. Now we are operating the system. Let's start. Now we see the panel condition is normal, system running normally. Now we are operating the panel. Please start. Now press the and finally we resetting the panel. This is all about addressable fire alarm system of brand SNOR. So thank you very much everybody.